Chick-fil-A, okay? Alright, so I'm at Chick-fil-A and I'm doing a mukbang, so I have the original chicken sandwiches. This is what it looks like. Now they had the pickles. I had took the pickles out. Now I make sure that I put some mayonnaise on here. And I have some of this sauce. I forgot what it's called. But it tastes really good.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, so this is Chick-fil-A sauce. Make sure you try this. It is very, very good. Then it has some fries too. So what I do is I always put some of the Chick-fil-A sauce on my sandwich. Like so. I don't put a lot though. I don't put a lot of the sauce on my sandwich. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Then we're gonna put some mayonnaise. Just rub it together into the Chick-fil-A sauce. Then put the butter together, then you close it. Then I'm just gonna eat it. Oh yeah. I love deep fry. You know, like ketchup. Very, very good. It's right here, Evan. Dang, them about to go fast. Alright y'all, I'm going to end the video because I want you to enjoy the food. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure you thumbs up. So